dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine and safe. I am your maths teacher, Parul Madam. Your maths textbook has been revised by NCERT this year. So, according to the new textbook reprinted in 2020, our first lesson is our national fruit, mango. Last week, I had sent you a video based on the lesson, the fish tail. Now, this lesson, our national fruit mango, is similar to that lesson. So, let's start mathematics. Lesson number 1, our national fruit mango. Everyone, please listen carefully and attentively. After the video is over, you are supposed to solve the given assignment based on this video. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. Lesson number 1, our national fruit, mango. What is a hike? A hike is 3-line poem in Japan. Two hikes are mentioned here. First one, I am sweet and fragrant, mango from Surat, I am Kesar. Second one, delicious mango, the juice dripping down the chin, heavenly delight. These both are hikes. Everyone knows that mango is our national fruit. Do you know what is mango called in Sanskrit? A mango is called ambra in Sanskrit. Talala Taluka of Gir Somnath district is famous for Kesar mangoes. Kesar mangoes are very sweet mangoes. The plantation of mango are called Ambavadi. A mango tree initially bears flowers in the spring season. After that it bears mango fruits. Now we will try to solve sums based on mangoes. First question. Suppose there are 30 students in 5th A class. Each student is given a box containing 18 mangoes. Total, how many mangoes will be there? Children, you know that one box contains 18 mangoes. There are 30 students in 5th A class. So each student is given one box of mangoes. So there are 30 boxes in 5th A class. Now 30 boxes contain how many mangoes? So everywhere in like this word problem, we will cross multiply and divide. So I am cross multiplying 18 times 30 equals to 540. And 540 divided by 1 is 540 itself. So 30 boxes contains 540 mangoes. Question number 2. How many heaps of 10 mangoes each can be made from all these mangoes? Children, you know that one heap contains 10 mangoes. So how many heaps can be formed to accommodate 540 mangoes? Here also we will cross multiply and divide. So I will cross multiply 540 multiplied by 1. It will be 540 itself. Then 540 divided by 10, which will give me 54 heaps. So 54 heaps can be made. Question number 3. If a farmer picks mangoes only from one tree, 18 boxes of 12 kg each are filled. How many kg mangoes grow on one tree? Children, you all know that one box contains 12 kg mangoes. So there are 18 boxes like this. So 18 boxes will contain how many kg mangoes? Here also we will use cross multiply and divide. So I am cross multiplying. 12 18s are is 216 kg mangoes. This 216 divided by 1 is 216 itself. So about 216 kg mangoes grow on one tree. Now we will see question number 4. How many kg of mangoes the farmer would have picked up from 20 such mango trees of his orchard? Children, you know what is an orchard? Orchard means a fruit garden. Now, from question number 3, we got the answer that one tree contains 216 kg of mangoes. So, like this, 20 trees are there in the orchard. So, 20 trees will contain how many kg of mangoes? So, we will cross multiply 20 and 216 and then divide it by 1. So, 216 times 20 equals to 4320. This 4320 I will divide by 1. So, I will get the same number, that is 4320 kg mangoes. So, the farmer would have picked about 4320 kg mangoes from his orchard. Now, question number 5. How many boxes can be filled from all these mangoes of his orchard? From question number 4, we got the answer. The farmer has 4320 kg mangoes in his orchard. And from question number 3, we know that one box contains 12 kg mangoes. So, how many boxes will contain 4320 kg mangoes? So, here we will cross multiply 1 and 4320 and then divide the answer by 12. So, when I multiply 4320 by 1, I get the same number, that is 4320. Then I divide it by 12. So, I get 360 boxes. So, 360 boxes can be filled. Now, question number 6. How much kilogram do you weigh? Suppose you weigh 25 kg. Now, next question. What is the approximate total weight of 12 students like you together? Children, you know that one student weighs 25 kg. So 12 students will weigh how much kg? So I'll cross multiply 12 and 25. So I get the answer as 300. Now I'll divide 300 by 1. So I'll get the same number, that is 300. Here also I used cross multiply and divide method. So approximate total weight of 12 students is 300 kgs. Next question. Compare the total weight of 12 students with the weight of total mangoes picked from his orchard. Which one is less? From question number 4, we got the answer that 4320 kg mangoes grows in the farmer's orchard. And from question number 6b, we got the answer that the total weight of 12 students is 300 kg. So, now you compare 300 kg with 4320 kg. Children, which one is less? Naturally, 300 kg is less than 4320 kg. So, the total weight of 12 students will be less. Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.